Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. The integration of z, you have z squared over 2. So I will put this one on here. This one I will put in here. And we have 1 over the square root of x squared plus y squared. And this one we put the bounds from 0 to the square root of 1 minus x squared minus y squared. And we have dy dx. So this one I will put in here, and number 0 I will put in here. So this one we have one minus x squared minus y squared over number 2. Next, we can use about cylindrical coordinates. So in this one, we can use about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So x squared plus y squared equals to r squared cosine theta squared. So I will put this one on here, and this one on here. So we have r squared sine theta squared. So r squared and r squared we can do about factorization. And we have cosine theta squared plus sine theta squared. And this one equals to number 1. So we have r squared. dy dx we change by r dr d theta. Now we go to the bounds in here. So we have dy. So about y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of 1 minus x squared. About dx, so s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 1. Now we just concentrate on this one. So we have y equals to the square root of 1 minus x squared. So if we put the power 2 for the both sides, we cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus x squared. So this one I will put on the left. So we use about the formula of the circle. That should be about s minus 8 to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 equals to r squared. So the center that is about AB, and the radius is about r. So in this one we don't have A and B. So the center that is about 0, 0. And the radius is about number 1. So 1 that is about 1 square. We need to graph this one. So we have y and x. So the number is about 1, 1, negative number 1, negative number 1. Now if we look on this one, we have y is smaller than or equals to the positive square root and greater than or equal to number 0. Number 0, that is about this one. The positive square root, that is about this one. And the next one, from 0 to number 1. From 0 to number 1, that is about this one. So they just concentrate about this region in here. Now we need to change everything in here. So s square plus y square and s square plus y square in here, we change by r square. dy dx, we change by r dr d theta. dr, that is about the radius of the circle, should be about from 0 to number 1. Number 1, that is about the radius of the circle in here. d theta. So we start in here and we stop in here. So that should be about from 0 to b over 2. We just use about trigonometric circle. Now we need to calculate this one. This one we have r, this one we have r. So we simplify this one and this one. And now we just have like this. So we calculate this one and we have like this. 1 over 2 we have r over 2. This one we have r to the power of 3 over 3. Number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. So I will put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here. So we have 1 over 3. And we have the integration from 0 to b over 2 d theta. This one we have theta. And we put about from 0 to b over 2. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.